Acorns Share the Wealth referral program can help you and your friends earn bonus investments on your path to financial wellness. Here's how it works. First, open the Acorns app and tap the Get Money button next to your profile on the top right to enter your referral dashboard. Next, tap Invite Friends to copy your unique link. Then, share your link. Text it, email it, drop it in the group chat, whatever works. After your friend completes the eligibility requirements, you can both get rewarded. Our referral bonuses have ranged from $5 to over $2,600. Keep an eye on your app and email for details. To track your referrals, go to Referral Status from your dashboard. It may take up to 14 business days after your friend's first investment for their status to appear. If you've referred friends and you're waiting for your bonuses, keep a couple things in mind. Your friend must be new to Acorns and invest within 14 days of the offer end date. Your bonus will be invested within 30 days once eligibility is confirmed. You and your friends need to keep your Acorns accounts open and in good standing when the bonus is invested. Help your friends get started on their financial wellness journey today. Share your link, share the wealth.